Hello friends, in this video we are going to see Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. Let's start. For the Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. So it is the branch of science which deals with the behavior of fluids. Fluids is liquids and gases both at rest as well as in motion. This branch of science deals with the statics, that is your rest part, then kinematics, that is motion, and dynamic, that is the power, that is motion and velocity both, that is aspects of fluids. So the first one is fluid statics. What is fluid statics? The study of fluids at rest is called fluid statics. That means there will be no motion to the fluid particle. All the fluid particle and fluid mass will be in rest condition. In that fluid statics, we are going to see the hydrostatic forces or forces acting on the plane surfaces when it is partially or fully submerged inside the water. And also we are going to see the behavior of the fluid particles when it is in rest condition. Then the most important topic, that is the fluid kinematics. Kinematics is the branch of science which deals with the motion of the fluid particle without considering the forces causing the motion. That means in kinematics we are not going to see because of which force there is a motion in the fluid particle, but we are only interested in finding the magnitude of velocity and acceleration. Forces are not considered here, as it is mentioned in this line. You can see fluid kinematics. Forces we are not going to consider, only the motion, that is velocity and acceleration. Both are vector quantity. Then fluid dynamics, the study of fluids in motion where pressure forces are also considered. Very important line. In this particular topic, dynamics, we are also going to consider the forces like pressure force, gravity force, compressivity force, turbulence force. Various forces we are going to see in this particular topic along with the motion of the fluid particle, that is called as fluid dynamics. Thank you.